Y'all.
Yo.
They was originally $27 and I got it for $1. Are you kidding me? Are you?
Yeah.
It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikaylah, aka Mikaylah Rachelle, and today's video is gonna be something a little different. It's gonna be a Walmart haul. Yep, a Walmart haul. And I know the reason why y'all clicked on this video is because of the thumbnail, and I promise you, it's not clickbait. It's not clickbait. I promise you, it's not clickbait. So, I'm gonna just show y'all a few little things that I got from Walmart, and then we're gonna get to the real juicy part, which I really came here for. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all. So, also sorry if I'm like low-key cut out the frame. This bun is OD big, so sorry. But the first thing that I got from Walmart is a pack of hangers. 18 pack of hangers. I'm always needing hangers now because I'm getting clothes more frequently and I don't have any more space in my closet. Also, I don't have any more hangers, so this was really needed. Next, I just got these two Glade fresheners. This one is Sky and Sea Salt. This smells so good, y'all. I don't know if y'all can really see, but it just looks like this. It smells so... It's fresh. And I like my room to smell either fresh or fruity. Like, I don't like the musky scents. Like, my mom, she loves musk and, like, just manly. I just can't. Then I have Rose and Bloom. Hopefully you guys can see. If y'all can't see, I'm sorry. But it looks like this. And, this one... If y'all know that, like, rose flower or rose water spray at Bath and Body Works. Yeah, Bath and Body Works. This smells exactly like it. And I should have got another bottle because that spray smells so good. It's like fresh and sweet, but this, it smells very similar to it. So I recommend getting this if you like that scent from Bath and Body Works. Next, I just got some baby wipes. You use baby wipes for everything. You use baby wipes for feminine purposes. You use baby wipes to clean up your makeup. You use them for your hands. It's a necessity. You just need them, and I needed them. Next thing, I just got some cotton rounds. Yeah, I needed some. I already have cotton balls in the house, but I needed something that I could just, use on my face to tone my face with witch hazel. So, got these 100 count. Next thing that's in this bag that I don't want to let go are these pads. It says Indulge Your Feet Ultra Low Liner. Honestly, this was in a basket and it was like $1, and I was like, I don't have any socks like this, and I'm sure all you ladies know that we need socks like this, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh, it's padding on the bag. I didn't even peep, but it's 3 pairs of them, and I just got this glittery kind and a regular black pair. So, got these two. And then I just got some 4-blade disposable razors. Self-explanatory. Next, I just got some deodorant. Why? Because we want to be fresh 24/7 and I needed some more. So, can never run out of deodorant. I just got Lady Speed Stick Invisible Dry. I never got Invisible Dry before. I'm not sure if it's gonna really make a difference, but it really doesn't really. I usually get what do I get? I don't even know, because like, you know how some people need specific like deodorants to last all day. That's not me. Like, I could use anything and I still be fresh all day. So yeah, so I just got this. Next, I just got a soap container. Pretty self-explanatory. I needed something separate for my facial soap, so boom. Next, I just got some witch hazel. We go with the Equate brand. Why? Because it's the same thing, same ingredients as Dickens. So we just got that. I didn't even know, actually, I never got this brand, but if you don't know what Equate is Walmart's specific brand. I didn't know they made witch hazel. I was like, oh my god, Walmart has witch hazel? Let me get it. But yeah. Next, I just got some baby oil. You want to make sure you're all soft and everything until you get out the shower. Then I just got these two face masks. One is by Freeman, and it's a jelly mask and cleanser uplift. Yuzu lemon. Hopefully y'all can see that. I don't know how this gonna be. It feels good in the package, that's why I got it. And it's this marble peel off mask, pore cleansing, all skin types, mixed to marble. So yeah, I just got this one. It looked like it was cute to do, and I like peel off masks. I think it's so satisfying. Yeah. And then y'all, okay, so let me just give y'all a quick little recap. So last year, freshman year of college, my friend went to Walmart, whatever, and she was using this Walmart spray, whatever. I was like, that smells good. What are you wearing? And she was like, girl, this thing is from Walmart, cherry blossom, da da da. I'm like, really? I never had Walmart spray. You sure it works? She was like, you smell it, right? I was like, word. I smelled her from down the hallway. Like, I was like, oh, that smells wonderful. So I got one, and now it's like to here. So I decided to get another one, and this is the Bodycology Cherry Blossom Fragrance Mist. It looks like this. When I tell y'all, it smells bomb. It's like the perfect balance of fresh and sweet. I recommend getting this. So now to the part that y'all all been waiting for, or the part that y'all cheated and skipped to. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Anyway, y'all, tell me why I was walking past. Okay, I saw some stuff on YouTube like, ooh, men's jeans from Walmart, men's jeans from Walmart, George brand, whatever. I was like, let me try it. So I walked past there. I didn't see no George. I saw George after the fact of what I got now, but George is like $10, right? So I'm walking past, and I see this other brand or whatever, and it's, you know, the men's section. Tell me why I see on a tag it's $1. I said, nah, this can't be right, because the regular tag is $27. Right. So I'm like, nah. So I just put in the cart, and I was like, I'm gonna just scan it later. And then it was a worker, and I was like, can you please scan this for me? And then she was like, yeah, they're $1. I racked up on them too. I said, huh? When I tell you, me and my mom went crazy. I'll insert some clips now of the insanity that happened.
Y'all, not when we found $1 jeans at Walmart. Like, the men's jeans is $1 right now. That's $1. Wait, show them. It's $1. I'm very confused. I don't even know what size I would be in men's, but we just gonna risk it.
Gonna get them all.
That's what I'm saying. Like, this looks terrible. Look at our cart. Terrible. But men's jeans, yo. Obviously, that's $1 though. Who does that? Why? No, but why?
Yeah.
She just keep handing me. You know, it's the same wash. You gonna keep getting the same?
Well, right.
So,
I think 14.
yo, because this is a freaking hoarder.
27 again.
Yo, what's good, Ma? This is too much.
Never too much.
You got thousands of jeans.
It's fine. It's $1. Someone else needs it.
I know y'all see all this. Are you kidding me? All of these jeans. $1 with the exception of one. And the one was $5. Are you kidding me? If you don't know how men's pants work, it's the waist and then the length. So the W means waist and the L means length, if you didn't know that. So one of these pairs I got $34.30, and this is a try on. Of course, I only do try ons, period. People who don't do try ons do better. But I got a $34.30, and it rested right at my ankle, a little past my ankle, but I wanted it to be longer. I wanted it to have a baggier look. But actually, even though it wasn't the baggy look I was looking for, they're really cute and they fit me really well. And the denim is actually really good quality. So, these are the first pair. They're basic, but they're really cute on y'all. Like, they're really cute. These are the bottoms. Then I got a $34.32, right? Then I got a 34, 32 again. Right. Then I got a 32, 30 again. These are a 32, 32. Mind you, these are all the same, washed, all the same style. But the 32 and the 30s, y'all will see the difference because I'll put it on the screen. The 34, the 32 waist-wise, one is a little bit baggier on me and the other is a little bit looser. And length-wise, I probably like the 32 better because it's longer. But yeah. And then these are actually 36, 32. These are probably way too big on my waist, but I wanted like the baggy look. So hopefully this looks, you know, cute enough. I'm not sure. You guys will see clearly. But yes. And then the last pair that I got is a 32, 32. So boom. Right? I'll try all of these on. Y'all will see.
Brian Little.
Japan.
The $5 ones are just these light wash, stretchy, mid-rise bootcut jeans. Mind you, I don't even wear bootcut, but I'm like, spring and summer's coming up, and I could wear this with some sandals. I would never wear these with like sneakers, cause I just personally don't like how it looks. But these don't look nice. I already know, and they mad stretchy. Your body about to look popping, sis. Period. But all of these were $1. And I know y'all was like, probably like, yo, you tripping getting 7 pairs of the same pair of jeans. Are you kidding me? But they all gonna have different fit. And they're all gonna look different. Why? Because you can customize each and every one of them. I plan on distressing some. I plan on getting some painted. I plan on cutting some up. I plan on like really customizing it, guys. Like, I'll even do another video of how I'm going to customize these jeans. Like the opportunities are endless. No, what do they say? The what's it called is endless. Y'all know what I mean? The something. You got endless options. That's basically what I'm trying to say. You got endless options of how to customize these. So yeah, and also I got 2 more items, y'all. 2 more items. That will be finito. I just got this purple graphic tee with prints on it. That it says Purple Rain, and it just looks like this. I don't have a lot of purple shirts, contrary to what I'm wearing now. It's lavender, but this is like the only purple shirt purple shirt that I have. So here's the oversized graphic tee, cute. And then I just got one Ice Cube, and this is also in the men's section. If you go to Walmart, go to the men's section and get some graphic tees. So this is the one Ice Cube, black graphic tee. Cute. Like, y'all, this actually concludes this video. But girl, do not sleep. Don't sleep on Walmart. I don't care what nobody say. Don't make nobody make you feel bad for getting you some jeans. These are good quality jeans. Like, they're denim. I don't even got no jeans like this. They was originally $27 and I got it for $1. Are you kidding me? Are you? Yeah. By the way, y'all, it's called Free Assembly Athletic Slim. Anyways, y'all, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for another piece of cake. Mikaylah Rachelle's out.